When it comes time to splice two 12-foot main runners end to end, simply stab to the right of the opposing main runner. When you hear a click, your connection is tight and locked with over 300 pounds of pull-out resistance. How do you take main runners apart? It's real easy. Just grab the slotted screwdriver and bend your pocket tabs on either side of the main out 90 degrees. When you are ready to splice them back together, simply bend the tabs back into place and stab them together again for the same tight connection as before. Our main runners have come to the end of our 68-foot building run. How do we accurately cut a main runner to size at the opposing wall? Just butt the end of the main to the wall upside down. Then cut back as far as the pocket tab on the main runner above you. Next, rotate your cut main 180 degrees and reinstall.